I am not a dog on a chain. I use my own brain. I can turn the conversation off. I'm too clever to be robbed. I am not a dog on a chain. Thanks all the same. I have patience and I have time, both of which are mine. I hear a call, I hear a cry. I raise my voice, I have no choice. I raise my hand, I hammer twice. I see no point in being nice. I am not a dog on a chain. I use my own brain. I do not read newspapers, they are troublemakers. Listen out for what's not shown to you, and there you find the truth. For in a civilized and careful way, they'll sculpture all your views. So open up your nervous mouth and feel the words come streaming out in volume, pitch and rising cries, opening your blinkered eyes, for otherwise you'll never know who you are or all that you can do. If you want to, if you want to, if you want to. A dog on a chain, you've got to be insane. One is company and two is a crowd, and crowds are loud. Oh, maybe I'll be skinned alive by Canada Goose because of my views, because of the truth, because of my fleece, because of my niece. Like drinking ink, the words explode, faster than fists, louder than blows.